So I just learned about this technique last night from Neville Goddard. It's called the knot technique. And it's totally shifting everything for me. I'm so excited to share this with you. It's gonna totally flip your mind around so that you can see from a perspective that you've never seen. Hi guys, welcome back. My channel is all about the science and psychology of manifesting. I don't know about you, but a lot of us out there are counter-manifesting what we actually want and pushing away our dreams and desires. One of the main reasons we are counter-manifesting our dreams and desires is because we are in such a state of worry and stress and obsessing over them that we're actually coming from a state of lack instead of a state of abundance. Wishing and worrying is actually the same as praying to your problems, because whatever you think about the most, that's what you're gonna get more of in your life. But honestly, a lot of this is because of our subconscious programming from our childhood, and that we just don't have the right tools and the right steps to get what we want. We need to find this nice, relaxed, satisfied state in order to be in a receptive mode so that we can actually even get what we want. Neville Goddard says that the moment we don't feel like we need anything anymore, that's the moment our manifestations will start to happen. We've got to start enjoying our lives and feeling grateful for what we have no matter what. You can't get where you're going unless you're happy with where you are. And one of the things that took me a really long time to realize, because I'm now in my 40s, is that it's up to me to make sure that I'm happy. Nobody else is gonna do that for me. It's up to me to make decisions, to choose to do things every day that make me feel happy. Like just walking barefoot in the grass, or journaling a little bit about what I'm grateful for, or maybe eating ice cream today. Whatever it is that makes you smile, it's up to us to do that. So we want to start feeling happy no matter what, regardless of whether we get what we want or not, and anything that comes into our life is just an extra bonus. Neville Goddard calls this the knot technique. So Neville goes further to explain that if you're trying to manifest wealth, and you walk around saying, I'm a millionaire, I am a millionaire, and you don't believe it, then you create all this resistance and you're actually just pushing it further away and counter-manifesting wealth. You actually just begin to focus on the fact that you don't have it and you're feeling this state of lack. You start looking around, why hasn't it shown up yet? Where's the money? I said I'm a millionaire, but I don't see the money anywhere. And then you're just constantly in the state of lack, the state of wishing and hoping. Remember, manifesting is all about how you feel. It's all about your emotions. That is literally your compass that can guide you to let you know whether you are pushing away and repelling all of your manifestations or drawing them and attracting them closer to you. It's all about how you feel. So here's the really fun part. Neville says, instead of saying, I am a millionaire, start saying, I am not a millionaire. I am not a millionaire, and say it like you really mean it, and write that down, put it all over your house on little sticky notes. I am not a millionaire. Neville says that your subconscious mind, it doesn't even catch the knot. It just catches the millionaire part. So now you're going around with an affirmation without any of the emotional resistance. What's interesting is I've actually heard a lot of other people lecture about this, but in different ways, like Louise Hay. She's always saying, instead of saying, don't forget to do that, she says, never say that, because all your subconscious hears is forget, and then you forget to do it. So be very careful with your words and the way you speak to yourself. So by writing, I am not a millionaire, you're actually bringing wealth into the awareness of your subconscious mind without any of those emotional friction, without any of the resistance, without maybe memories from your childhood or memories from whatever where there was no wealth present. Whatever is creating that resistance in your subconscious mind, you're no longer bringing any of that to the surface. I am not a millionaire. I don't have it, and I don't need it. So now I'm not looking for it. Now I'm not trying to solve the equation of how is it gonna show up in my life. I find this technique so simple and so exciting because there's zero resistance. Your subconscious is still hearing the signal. It's getting the message, but you're no longer self-sabotaging. Neville Goddard always says to think about your manifestations from the end state. So think about it. If you already had $1 million, would you be feeling like you wish you had it or hoping for it? No, you'd already have it, so you wouldn't even be looking for it. The thing that I've caught myself doing in the past, and that a lot of us are doing out there, is we're looking for something outside of us to fulfill us inside of us. But we don't need a material, physical thing to complete us. There is not anything on this planet outside of us that can complete us. It's all within. We are all just searching for an emotional state. So get past the idea that it's a material thing that's going to satisfy you, because then it'll always be one more thing, one more thing, one more thing, and you'll never actually feel content. It is the emotional state that we are all searching for. Because think about it, if you already feel like you have $1 million, and you're no longer wanting. I don't need anything to satisfy me. Because honestly, if you think about it, most of the people that are rich, there's been tons of research showing that those are actually the most unhappy people. I am happy just being, and I'm gonna go about my life just having fun and completely detaching from everything that I'm trying to manifest. And just know in your heart that as long as you're feeling good and you're feeling happy, you're getting closer and closer. You are literally one vibration away from having all of your dreams come true. The second you stop needing, that is literally the second that you stop manifesting from a state of lack and stop pushing things away from you. That is the moment that you will feel abundant with what you already have and step into a space where it already exists. I'm Sarah Stone Love, and I hope these teachings from Neville Goddard help to shift your mindset so that you can manifest all of your dreams. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it. Join me every Tuesday and Thursday, where we'll be sharing more content on the Law of Assumption.